Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Martin County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles south of Fairmont, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Chain, Wilbert, Imogene, Fairmont, Welcome, Granada, Northrop, and Truman. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Martin, Minnesota,